Hey guys, this is Thanasi, here in my studio in LA. Today I'm going to show you your very first drum beat. This drum beat is the basis for many songs out there. We will include the bass drum, snare drum, and hi-hat. We can start hitting the hi-hat 4 times very slowly, and you count out loud and you keep repeating. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can add a bass drum on number 1. So number 1, you will hit the bass drum and the hi-hat at the same time. It will sound like this. One more time, bass drum and hi-hat at the same time. Now let's start counting, and we include the bass drum on number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all there's left is to add a snare drum. The snare drum will go number 3. So number 3, we have snare drum and hi-hat at the same time. It will sound like this together. One more time, snare drum and hi-hat. Okay, let's start counting. And we include bass drum and snare drum. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you start practicing, you can start practicing with just the hi-hat. Then whenever you feel comfortable, you can add the bass drum. And finally, when you're ready, include the snare drum too. I will give you an example. So I will play 2 times with only hi-hat, then 2 more times adding the bass drum, and finally all 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, whenever you feel ready, you can speed up a little bit. Let's do it a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, a little faster. Even faster. Even faster. Beautiful. This is it for now. I will see you guys soon. Keep on practicing. Don't forget, if you like, you can subscribe to this channel, leave some comments, and I will see you guys soon.